Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're going to take a look at the Zerolemon 5000 and 10,000 milliamp extended battery case for your Galaxy S10 and your Galaxy S10 Plus. Now all of these cases you can get from Amazon. I'll throw the links up in the description. The price for the 5000 milliamp, $40. And for 10,000 milliamps, $60. So as Bob Barker would say, the price is right. Now, there's not really too much to talk about. These are just extended battery cases, double or triple your phone's battery life. Let's check these out. First things first, shout out to White Shoes, back in the building.
I love my white shoes. I love
White
my
shoes.
white shoes.
Calm down. All right, let's start off with the 5000 milliamp batteries. All right, let's bust these open at the same time. Got the Incredible Hulk. Here we go. Rah. Okay. So we got the Galaxy S10 version and the S10 Plus version. Simple presentation. Nice clean white box. Giggity. Here we go. So inside, you get your Zerolemon promise. Plug it and file it. User's manual. Giveaway information. Plug that and file it too. Now check this out. Soft matte feel on this. All right, no fingerprints. Here's your power button. And you get 4 LEDs. All right, so let's see. This one might be completely dead. All right, we have to charge this up. Let's see. On the bottom, you got a USB Type-C charger. Shoes. Fall back. Got a slot for your headphone jack. A slot for your speaker. And that's pretty much it. On the inside, USB Type-C. All right, so let's take a look at the Galaxy S10 Plus version at the same time. See if there's any difference. Okay. Shoes ain't been on camera in a minute, so she kind of hype. So here we go. Let's see if this one has any juice. No power on this one either. All right, we'll slap them on and see what they look like. Now to put these on, real simple. Just line up your USB Type-C and pop it in there. Let's hit that power button one more time. Just make sure, yep, completely dead. All right, so let's pop these open. I'll charge them up for a second and then we'll do a little test. In the meantime, Galaxy S10 Plus version. Let's check this one out. Rah. One more. Watch out, shoes. Rah. Okay, here we go. Now these are the big boys. Let's see how thick these are. Giggity. All right, here we go. All right, all the same contents. Plug them and file them. Now this one is definitely a lot thicker. Let's see if we got any juice on this one. All right, shout out to Zerolemon. Dead batteries on deck. It is what it is. All right, shoes, scoop, scoop. Let's take a look at the big boy version of this one. Here it is. Now these are definitely a lot thicker. Let's do a little size comparison. Here's 5,000 shoes. Here's 5,000 and here's 10,000. So if you notice, the 10,000 is definitely a lot thicker. Let's slap them on and see what it looks like. We're dropping on the S10. Now let's see if we can get some pass-through charging on this. Okay, a little struggles right now. There it is. Okay. Let me grab a little USB Type-C charger. Should have one on deck. Let's see if we get pass-through charging. Okay, so here it is. All right, so you heard it for yourself. Plugged in. Now this is pretty dope because you don't have to take the phone out of the case in order to charge it up. So if you look closely, you see it is charging up. Okay, let's see. I got battery life now. Let's see. Oh, okay. You know what? I'm such a noob. You don't have to press it and hold it. Just press the power button gently. All right, so that's three LEDs. Let's see if we're charging up on this one. Okay, a little thought activity. No charge yet. Let's see how we do this now. Oh, are we charging? Oh, yeah, we are charging. All right, so we're charging up. Let's turn it off. Let's try to turn it off now. Okay, maybe all right, so press and hold to turn it off. Let's do one press. There it is. All right, so I'll put the volume on so you can hear that for yourself. Let's try this one more time. I want y'all to hear that sound. Okay. So press and hold to turn it off. And one press to turn it on. Charging up. That's the go. All right, so now let's do a little thickness comparison. These are actually the same one. Matter of fact, it's not too much difference in the thickness. My advice would be, if you need an extra battery, spend that extra $20 and get the big boy 10,000 milliamps. Now, on a side note, this is not a protective case, although it does have a little bit of razivity. This is not Slam Boy certified. Let's check the buttons. All right, so the buttons work with no problems. Let's check that speaker on the bottom and see if we got any sound distortions. Take it over to YouTube. See if we got anything with some noise. All right, Kodokan Fatality. Let's get max volume.
Story stuff. They'll be back next week.
Sounds exactly the same.
Some intros between these two characters on our Facebook and Twitter.
Yeah, you see there's a speaker on the bottom.
So we're not skipping through these. They're not turned on for these two characters, right? Intentionally. Yeah, thank you.
No problems.
All right. So they're just going at it.
Now I gotta throw my user disclaimer out there. Let me close out of this. This is not a stylish case. I know somebody's gonna say, oh, the case looks ugly. It looks extra thick. Looks extra big. You gotta keep in mind that these are not stylish cases. They're battery cases. All right, if you're looking for a stylish case, go with UAG, go with Spigen, go with Ghost Tech, do your thing. But if you need extra battery, you got 5,000 milliamps or 10,000 milliamps. That's going to last you all day, guaranteed. One more thing I wanted to mention now. If you're not into these battery cases, I highly recommend getting one of these. Now, y'all seen this on my channel for years, the Zerolemon Tough Juice. This is 30,000 milliamps. For $60. Check this out on the top. You got Quick Charge 3.0. You got 5 volt 1 amp. Another 5 volt 1 amp and another 5 volt 1 amp. Then you got 5 volt 2 amps. Micro USB. And on the other side, you got USB Type C. 4 LEDs. This thing has been through the wars. And I'm not exaggerating. This has been in the back of my car. Been to the beach. Been to the park. Been on my bike. Y'all see this in all of my test videos. This is rugged, drop down the stairs. It still works perfectly. All right, so if you're looking for extra battery and you don't want a case, or maybe you got an iPhone and you got a couple other gadgets you want to charge up, check out the Zerolemon Tough Juice. Overall, though, these are basic cases. I mean, ain't really nothing too much to talk about. Just big battery cases. Adds a little bit of extra weight. Now let me not let me not say it like that. It adds a lot of bit. Adds a lot of bit of extra weight. I definitely gonna see that weight. See the 10,000 and 5,000. Definitely gonna feel that weight, but you're not gonna be thinking about that weight when you're stuck at the airport and your battery's on 10% and you're sitting next to that little plug-in charger looking like a douche. Now you can walk around the airport, go to Starbucks, get your strawberry frappuccino, do your thing. Anyway, Zerolemon, 5,000, 10,000 milliamp extended battery cases, $40 for 5,000, $60 for 10,000. It is what it is. Hit me up in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about these. Shout out to everybody rocking with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxel. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where I'm at full time, 100% full throttle. And a special shout out to everybody rocking with the new stream on Sundays. Y'all already know, Stream Gangsters on deck. Get your drinks ready. No meat boys allowed. Oh yeah, special shout out to everybody following me on Snapchat, Flossy_Carter. That's where I'm at. And a special shout out to the notification squad. I see y'all in the comment section early. #salute. Oh yeah, one more thing. I almost forgot. Fellas, ladies, say it with me. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, close your eyes and picture me rolling. It's your boy Floss, I'm out. Deuces.
Enterprise, Spock here.
Spock, run the beam up.
Affirmative, Captain. Enterprise out.
Energize.
we're in a situation where everybody in the world uses technology. And if you're gonna buy some of that technology, you gotta understand certain things. Subscribe to Flossy Carter. He does reviews of all the latest technology. The iPhones, the iPads, the Galaxies, the Samsungs, whatever the fuck. The Beats by that doctor guy. And he puts his kitty cat in the videos too for you something to look at. You know, I'm an animal lover, so I like that shit. So make sure you hit the subscribe button to Flossy Carter on the YouTube, the follow button on the Instaface, and the like button on the Facelook. Because if you don't, we're gonna have a fucking problem here. A bad one. Now hit the fucking subscribe button.